What time it is? Okay. Today, I think I know what I need to do. I need to get the working death animation. So no more rotating, no more root motion. Don't need that either. Do not need to simulate physics. Nope. Let's not do root motion for the other thing either. Actually, I'm not really sure if I want root motion for the player or not, because I have some ideas. Need to fix the AI too. Like, see, I think he just randomly turned. Wait, see, I don't know why he just shifted there. I'm gonna have to figure out the blueprint. And he just did it again, but... Alright. So that's good, that's normal. And I can look at him, I can look away, I can look all the way anywhere in this area. And that's because there's a physics asset. Oh wait, is it... Fuck, what's the button? Alt 4? Oh wait, no, it's enable collision 1? Fuck, what is it? There's a button for... No, no, no. Okay, never mind. I guess perplexity is the only way. Pog. Holy. Like, dude, why doesn't it recommend more glorb on the side? Why? I don't understand that. Show collision? That's it? Oh. Fuck, I don't know how to bring my keyboard back. I just changed the button on accident. Okay, keyboard's bugged. S key doesn't work whenever I did whatever I accidentally did. Oh, this is terrible. This one's not too bad. Recording, right? Yeah. How's the music? Let's see. Oh, wait, this one's actually good. Oh. What? Oh, I have to actually be in game. That works a little, and then it bugged out. Oh wait, why? I don't know why I did that. It's close enough. I don't know why I can still... Oh, wait, I can't interact with them right here. There's something in the logic here that's not unhighlighting him. If we don't hit, is it valid? If we hit and it doesn't implement, we don't want to do anything. If it does implement and it's that and it is the actor, it's this. If it implements it but it's not the actor, wrong. I'll have to check that later. It's not a thing for right now. Need more energy. Okay. Maybe it has to do with the enemy. My dad. It ignores visibility. I want to just test something real quick. And if we enable visibility, then if I kill him, it still highlights him. Okay, so we don't want that. So we can just bring it back. Cool. Dodge animation though, I think. AI things, AI animations. No. Character things, character actions. Hold on. Main character newest actions. Is this root motioned? It is. Oh, dodge isn't. Okay, so hit actually needs to be. That's why. Okay. Hit and death. Yeah, so it actually should be root motion a little, I think. It's not. Yeah, thought so. There it is. I can go here and it looks good right now. I don't know what happened earlier, but oh, I don't want that anymore. I need to open the AI and make it so that I can walk through his collision box, but not through his mesh. I just fixed an idea that I thought earlier. Okay. I was thinking that maybe I would want it so that other players can't collide with the dummy's collision box, but actually I just make it so that pawns can't collide, or pawns collide with the mesh. So if he's like walking like this, ow, then players can't walk through it. But players can walk through the thing that tethers him to the ground, because this right here, this guy, basically the only use for it is to prevent the guy from falling through the floor. So like, if I went to it and made it so it wasn't blocking collisions, like if I went here and went custom and I wasn't blocking world static, I would fall through the world. So, but the mesh, this mesh is blocking, so this actually should be collision enabled for the mesh. Just make sure everything still works. Cool. But the character, we care about, like, when someone bumps into me, if I'm here and someone bumps into me and can't get any closer than here, it's because it's walking into my capsule, not into me. I want it to be walking into me. I want to feel like I'm in the environment. So like, if I have a sword and I'm out here like this, I don't want to be able to push my hand into the desk because my capsule begins here, so my arms just phase through it, and then I can't go further because of the capsule. No, I want to see exactly why I can or cannot fit into something. So I think I make this guy not collide with pawns. I might have to redo the attack stuff. Maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see. Because I'm worried about the enemy attacking, when it registers as a hit, or what he registers when he tries to attack. Actually, we'll see, because he's going to attack me probably. So, we'll see if he... Yeah, okay, cool. And now he keeps on trying to get closer to me, and he can't get closer because... Oh, see, look, I can actually... That is interesting. Wonder what that's about. So if I did block... Or wait. Yeah, if I did block... Wait, let me see what the other one is. Oh. The mesh wasn't yet blocking that. So the mesh now... Oh wait, no. Mesh was blocking it. Never mind. I was wrong. And the capsule blocks it. So what happens if I walk into him like this? Okay. So that's interesting. Because this right now is okay. Like, I kind of like not being able to walk into him too much. I don't know why he just ignored me again. Like, see that? There's something wrong with the behavior tree. I don't know what, though. But if I make this ignore pawns, or overlap with pawns, maybe? Let's see what happens. Oh. So if I did ignore... Fuck. That's the bug. So I can walk through the guy because everything is a child of this. And this guy, my capsule is ignoring him, but the mesh is hitting him. So it doesn't actually feel like I'm hitting him. It's like I can walk into him, but then it realizes, oh, you're inside him. The mesh triggers, and then... But maybe there's one more step to actually make it work. It might be that I need to just do the same thing on the other guy, and then I'm curious to see what happens. Save it all just cuz. So if we do this, and then collision, custom, and we ignore visibility because I don't want his hitbox that's not even him to be blocking hits. I don't want that. We want this to be blocking, and yeah, we want his mesh to block everything. And now we see what happens. So we can totally walk through each other now. Oh wait. Yeah, that's right. See if I can still attack him. still do that. And I can walk through this, but I can also walk through his body, and that's not what I want. So I'm curious if I... check my text real quick. Okay. Trying to fix collisions. No. Editing, AI, and player collisions. Fuck, it's annoying. So what if I do one of these? If I do block on this one, I can push him, but that just feels trash. And then if I go to here and then we do block, block. I don't think I did that on my guy. No, I didn't. Now we block. We're gonna go back to normal. Fuck. But now his arm actually... it's annoying. So I want it to be the meshes interacting with each other, or at least the physics assets, the little volumes that are inside. Like these. I want these to be interacting with each other. I just want good collisions. It doesn't have to be super accurate. I just want it to be like better. And maybe you're able to be pushed around, but not much. I don't know how to make it feel good right now. Yeah, we'll go to the to-do. Reduce the coiling and craziness of the Deadeye mesh. Make it so that when the enemy's hit, he stays tracking me if he's hit instead of going resetting. Movement inputs. This is later. It's not important right now. We'll do this. Oh, okay. Because I want to do that because I can switch these inputs and it'll be so much better than this shit. It can be literally like 7 nodes. But I'm going to have to figure out how to incorporate all of this stuff. It's not impossible. It's just, I think I know how to do it, but I don't, it doesn't drive me to do it right now. I'd rather fix the behaviors. I think the animations are fine for everything. Let me check one more thing. Let me see if he's actually doing root motion. Yeah, it looks like it. Why is it doing that? That's annoying. It feels weird. Just gonna stop it from blocking pawn and see what happens. I guess we'll do overlap. Yeah, it feels better. That way he kind of attacks through me. Because, like, I don't want every fucking attack he does to push me. So I don't want the meshes exactly to collide. I just want... I don't know. I just want it to feel better, kind of. See, like that. Some things, like I can look pretty far away from him. Like I'm not looking at him. It's like, I don't know why it does that. I don't know if it's like a stretching his mesh or something, or let's see. Show collision. I will do that. See that? Where the fuck? I'm not looking at him. It's just something with the logic. I want to solve the behavior tree first, because that'll be satisfying. And honestly, it's more fun doing the Western thing than my own game right now, just because there's direction and specific goals. Versus this is still kind of sandboxy. So I probably am gonna turn this into like an actual game at some point, or copy some of the features over into another and just start from scratch and implement some things. The inventory and stuff is nice, but now I know how to do these kind of things. This might be somewhere, I don't know, it might be nearing the end of the sample project. I'll keep it, but it's just cool being able to flesh stuff out. Because like right here, it's like, I don't know, what do I do next? I don't know, a better menu or something? I mean, really it's just better AI, that's what I need to do. And then figure out how to make better collisions in these things. It's like getting a deeper understanding of things. I can do things now. You can say, make a character, make him attack, get him a behavior tree, make him run, make him do this. I haven't done EQS yet, so like spawning a series of little items meaning like little spheres around, and then ranking them based on certain things. So like maybe further is better, maybe closer is better, maybe ones that are close to a player is better, maybe ones that are close to multiple players. So like I could have a guy, and then I have 2 guys next over here, and then I have 3 guys over here and 1 over here. Well, the dots that aren't around anybody would be low score. It's like, that would be a bad spot to throw an AoE spell, but the one near 1 guy would be better. The one near 2 would be even better, and then the one near 3 would be like really, really good. So that would be like AI for an enemy that's trying to do the most damage possible with an AoE type of spell. So things like that would be kind of cool to implement, but it actually seems cooler now. It's more intuitively fun and enjoyable. Maybe today's different because my energy's kind of low. I need water, be back. I need cold water, it's too hot. Oh, same song's been playing for a while too, no wonder. Oh, this is a great one. So what happens if I do here? Show physics, or show collisions. Oh. If I do here. Where'd he go? What is he doing? My ice makes so much noise the second I get it. AI things, AI character, behavior tree. sees me. So he's checking if he's close enough. He's not. He's never close enough, so he can't hit me. Now he's stabbing and hitting, stabbing and waiting, stabbing, waiting, stabbing, waiting, stab, wait, stab, wait. Then I hit him. What the fuck? He seems better now. There's something. Let me test actually to see if he's better now. Because if he's better, it was actually the pawn settings. What? What are the odds of that? Oh. Why did the target just get unset? Target is set, so he moves to me. What is it that unsets it? I know, it should be, is it AI controller? Okay. So, if we see something, and the actor is a player, we're actually... This feels like it makes more sense. We don't care about when the stimulus wasn't fucking sensed. So we only want when it's sensed. Why is that there? Okay. So if a stimuli is sensed, and the actor is the player character, if it is the player character, if it's not, okay. Oops. Did I just close it? Is Control X, is Control... I don't even know what I did. I did something and it closed it. We did sense him. Set him to can see the player, we set him to chasing player, and then we set the value in the blackboard from the player character. We set him to the player character, and we set him to the... We set that key. We set that key in the blackboard to be the player. If not, there's a retriggerable delay. Meaning, if we can't see the player, it has to be 3 seconds. There's 3 seconds and then this happens. Do I need this? I don't know if I need a retriggerable delay. So if I have them like this. Oh wait. So that's the whole navigable area, so it's not that. Excuse me? Is that how close I have it set, really? Are you fucking serious? Because you can see it for pawn. If you go to pawn something, like I go to the old one here, we can go here and then you can see that. But this is all deprecated. This is old. Do we want that? So if I don't do this and I kill him, does he not have the items? Yeah. That's definitely needed. But we don't need to do this patrolling shit. Oh yeah, that's the best one.
Hey, Barnacle Boy, have you ever tried that kelpling?
Oh, yes, I've had my days sipping that mud, but lately I just been smoking up a stogie and thinking about all the faces I see when I go to sleep and all the dead bodies in the car. Wait, did you hear that?
Huh?
Oh, you're fucked now, Dayton. No, Eugene! Now, be quick, boy. My whole damn life, I've been waiting for this one moment. They're done. They're falling. Today, I made the sky fall. Yeah! Go for the city of go. I'm standing done. Go for the city of go. They ain't dead enough.
My leg! Do it now, Fred! Break the fourth wall and rewind time!
Don't need any of these olds. Let me see exactly what's happening. We're moving to the player. No longer chasing player. Is that 1,000? Is that really the reason? It can't be. I don't need that moving anymore.
Crash out like the fucking stock market. It's a shark tank, grab your crew in a market. Fuck up a few trap tags, but never miss a target. When you
Okay, let's see. It's chasing me? No longer. So it's like a perception thing. Like that was working. What's the... Oh, it's save game here. Load game. Let me go to my save really quick too. I need to fix that. I didn't save the transform. I think I just saved the location. Wait, what? I totally am. No? I guess it's just save game, and then is it in the character? Get actor transform. Okay. Weird.
Hey, Barnacle Boy, have you ever tried that coupling?
So I'm like here and I'm looking that direction. And then I load back. I'm not in the same direction. Oh, wait.
Thinking about all the faces I see when I go to sleep and all the dead bodies in the car. Wait, did you hear that?
Wait, no, it's accurate. I'm confused now. I don't know why that... That should be accurate. Maybe there's some sort of spawn conflict that's happening. Need a fan? Where is it going? Nice. Back to I so I can lock in. Is it? Oh, so why did it just trigger that? Why did he? It hit. Oh, wait, how is this logic never activated before? Oh wait, no, hold on. Wait. So the point is, you see something. Okay. I guess you see an actor. Okay. Is the actor the player character? No. Okay, so I was actually correct before. So we do, first of all, only give a shit about the character. I guess we don't even, do we even care if it's successfully sensed or not? It's not like it's not gonna, oh, but it's lose sight. That's the point, right? AI perception updated. So we set this to be true. So that when something happens on perception updated for the player, we have this. And if it's the player, then detected or lost player. If we detected the player, we want to see him. If we lost him, we want to stop seeing him. Okay, let's see if that triggers then. So we detected the player. Yeah. And he lost me because I left his field of view. Isn't the cone pretty big? Let me just test 90 real quick. It's like he should be seeing me the whole time for sure. Like right now he sees me. And if I go here, if I do that, and then I go, okay, so 90 works. Okay. And then he looked at me and then saw me again, I thought. And then no, this needs to be, wait, okay. So just because he can't see me doesn't mean he's doing that. So right now this needs to be retriggerable. Calling it again will reset the countdown to duration versus a regular delay that what would just continue. Calling it again while it's counting down will be ignored. So if I trigger it though, but then I don't think this matters. I don't think it needs to be re-triggered. Let me test something. Excuse me. So if we see the player or lose the player, we see him, straight away. He's the target. We should go for him. If we lost him, we shouldn't instantly forget him. I think this is triggering when it's not supposed to. So I don't know how this works. So if I call this and then I start this again, does he stay or does it just restart straight here? I don't know the answer. Let's test. We'll go without music for a minute. So he sees me. I'm going to hit him, run behind him. He can't see me now, but he still remembers me. He stopped. And wait, I didn't. Okay, so I need to put. Okay, so there's no longer chasing player. So I'm going to stop that and just see when he no longer chases player. He sees me. No longer sees player. No longer sees player. No longer sees player. No longer chasing player. But now chasing player because he turned around and saw me. He just happened to pick a point. So I lost his vision. No longer chasing player. He's still coming. Why did he? I think that's what's happening. So he's seeing me. This triggers. And then he's seeing me again. But then this triggers. So what are the actions here? So if we do on target perception updated versus on perception updated. So if I do re-triggerable, then doesn't that work? Because that means that when this happens, it gets recalled. The point is, I'm just going to walk around him and I'm going to try and lose him. He's not losing me yet. He's still remembering. No longer chasing player. Why did that trigger just now? And he didn't see me. So why wasn't he triggering me just there? Is it not... Is it a condition thing? Or a decorator thing where... This should be abandoning all of this. Ignore restart self. So this AI target so he should continue moving to me. So the enemy is not dead. Cool. If he dies, it aborts everything and goes there. He's not dead. We don't have to worry about that. So, is the AI target set? Well, we can find that out by going here. AI target. Oh. Nope, that's what it's called. AI target. Okay. It's an actor. That's when this convention is helpful. So like doing B and then the name of the boolean here. So that if you do make literal, I don't know what type of variable this is. If I just typed in AI target, I'd have no clue. I mean, I would guess it's an actor. Excuse me. So the point is I'm setting it to nothing here. But I feel like it's this that's not getting... Let me see when this is getting triggered. Because it's either... Maybe it's this logic that's fucking up. Oh! So why did that just trigger? My target is set. If we see this target is still set, he's still trying to move to me. But then... He stops moving to me and he's attacking. Okay. But he's not moving to me right now. Why wasn't he moving to me? So this shit doesn't matter, and it's actually easier to test if I just do it shorter. Fan too cold? Oh, I'm tired. So, why is that triggering? Can I time this? Can I print this a bunch? What if I just type in delay? It feels like once he loses me, then in 3 seconds he'll forget about me. Yeah, that's it. He lost me, and then 1, 2, 3. Let's replicate. He lost me 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 100% correct. So. Well, let's go. I'm going to just notate this just in case I can't continue. So. The number one thing we're doing is fix simulate physics going crazy. But before that, I think I can do control up. Doesn't work here. Damn. AI forgets about me, or AI delay continues after regaining sight of me. And then we'll say right here, big old red comment. AI is, or this is, delay is triggering despite perception getting updated, or perception is unable to update now after triggering. I don't know if this is an update or what, because before I'm pretty sure it was smooth. I mean, I feel like this is pretty glaring. Like, there's no way I just forgot that he was doing this. So, we go. We lose him. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. He regained me just there. Oh, but then it goes. Okay, so maybe 1, 2, 3. All right, that's actually kind of bad. All right, so we'll do 1, 2, 3. There it is. What the fuck is on my screen? Get off my screen. Bro, what is the... This fucking... Unreal, you might even say. Alright. Identified AI forgetting play... Okay, this... Identified player forget... Identified AI forgetting player problem. The delay that triggers... when AI loses sight of player at all, it plays a delay. After delay, sets a AI target to null. Need to fix by abandoning this logic if perception sees player again. Okay. I don't know why that's happening. Like, I swear it's too glaring for me to have let that go before. Oh, this candle's hot. Oh, it's hot. Ooh. Ah! I love candles, man. Okay. Yeah, open them up, dude. Open them up. So, we know it's not any of that shit now, which is nice. It's good to know. It's fantastic to know. Dude, I feel like my cardio is getting worse or something. Like, there was a period of time... Maybe it's an eating thing, I don't know. Like, before, I was on the carnivore diet for 5 days. You know what? It's probably the breakfast shit. I'm just not eating enough. That's exactly what it is. I'm gonna get a vitamin. Excuse me. I need to... Let me get an apple. I need to stop doing fasting shit. I did it this morning and yesterday. I didn't eat breakfast in the morning. I think it's screwing me over because I'm not eating as much, so there's just less good shit getting in me. Whenever that happens, I get shortness of breath. Like I can't, like right there, I can't get a deep breath. I'm fine. It's just fucking annoying. It went back to normal. This was happening after a couple days on the carnivore diet, just because I had never really tried a strict diet. I just wanted to see how it would feel. I felt okay for a while, but then this kicked in, and then my stomach just felt like shit. So I was hungry, or I wasn't hungry, but I had gone like 32 hours without eating. So, like that's just not right. Not for me. Noticed it yesterday because I was having to take mouth breaths. I never do that. I'm healthy, so it's weird. If we don't see the player, how do I... Let's see. I'll ask this question. Unreal 5 blueprint. I have a delay and or a retriggerable delay. If I call logic that takes 10 seconds to execute, for whatever reason, to execute, then it triggers a 3-second delay. If I start the logic from scratch again, does that delay, does the entire chain of logic stop or reset? Or does that delay continue, then run the logic after it while the first 10 seconds is being run again? Basically, if I start here and I get to here, not all the at the end, but here, and this takes a while to execute, but then I start this again, can we have 2 chains? For the standard delay, in the initial 10-second will continue executing. We'll start. If you start it while it's still in progress, the entire chain, it will execute, it will start a countdown, and if you start it before it completes, it will reset its countdown to 3 seconds. Timer? Set timer? How does that work? Set timer by event? I have no clue how this works. Because I basically want it to be, if we're here, there's a timer. It waits, and if it finishes, we do this. But if we do this, if this starts again, reset the timer. Because that means I saw the player again. So if this shit is, if this is ever, it can't be false. So if this is false, you can't lose the player again. We can't see the, if we see the player again, if we don't see the player now, we've lost sight of the player. The only way that this can sense it again is by being positive. It can't be positive. Excuse me. It can be positive twice in a row, but it can't be negative twice in a row. So if this plays, then it has to be positive next time, which means reset delay? I don't know. What is reset? Was I really that stupid and just didn't test it? I feel like it's a really recent thing for that to happen. Let me just throw this boy away. Fucking ice, dude. Yeah. What? Yo. Excuse me. We go. He attacks. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. See. So that timer doesn't end. It's just this logic. Huh. Let me eat my apple for a sec, and then I'll look at it again with a fresh mind. Let me do some leg exercises. That'll wake me up. Keep losing balance on my right. Need to slow down. Did it again. Stay balanced. Stay balanced. Oh. Did it again, I gotta fix it. Oh, close enough. Fuck. Did it there too. I mean, I'm trying to build strength. Balance doesn't matter as much. But I guess I'm just trying to get knee health, really. I mean, I have 0 knee pain now, so good enough. I think he's here. Gots to go, maybe. Right back. Yo! You didn't text, motherfucker. Alright, gotta go. Done.